This video shows our multifunctional wire harness testing system running on the production line. It integrates multiple testing functions to detect wire harness resistance, circuit continuity, open circuit, short circuit, insulation voltage, and connector wiring errors. Workers only need to connect the harness to the fixture. The system will finish all tests automatically and display OKNJ results on the touchscreen in real time. Equipped with data storage and label printing functions, it realizes full traceability of production quality, effectively reduces manual misjudgment, and greatly improves production efficiency. Widely used in automotive wiring, home appliance harness, medical equipment, cable and electronic assembly, production lines. We support customized test schemes according to your harness specifications.